Nope, got it. This is a good one again. This is a good one. Welcome back, guys. It's past Monday. We're gonna go do some fishing. Just prepping the golf cart, getting everything ready. I'm gonna spend about 2 hours there. Yeah, honestly, just looking forward to go fish, getting out there. So yeah, here's the golf cart. We catched on 12 flies. We're gonna try it again, sneaking a little iron on the course. Gonna hit a few golf balls. It's a 150 meter par 3. Try it a few shots with it while we're there. I mean, why not? You never know if we're getting it all in one. Got the old square ball back with my setup. I think of challenging Morco a bit today, put something wager on it. I'll actually do two, closest to the pin. And I think of just catching with hard baits, although it's very difficult, extremely difficult there with all the lily pads and the structure there. But I think I should catch with the hard baits. You should go on the soft plastics and we'll see. I'll speak to him when he gets here about this little wager you got going on here.
Hello guys, so here we are. It's me and Chris. We are here at Hole 12 again. Last week we had a lot of luck here. We didn't have any luck anywhere else. But yeah, we'll keep you posted. At least we have some GoPros today. Oh, there they are. Oh, here they are.
The bag.
We got some GoPros, so hopefully you'll see some strikes that we land. Yeah, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It will help us a lot as we are starting channel. So thanks for watching.
So I did mention it, so we're going to put a little wager on it. But the fishing, we're going to wash each other's cars. So whoever loses has to wash the winner's car.
When I get a free car wash.
Yes. And the closest to the pin, it's going to be a gentleman's bet. So that will be $1. $1. Just for the fun of it. For one reason, I'm an avid golfer. Morco is just a weekend hacker. So yeah,
I play 3 times a year.
Yeah.
So that basically sums it up.
I play twice a week.
See what I mean?
Let's get him. Guys, so last week I threw a grub, right? And I didn't throw it very good. I threw it in right over there. And when I walked up to my fishing spot, boom, right there with my fishing line. I actually got it. So somebody has been here. Guys, I think I'm on. Oh, it just reads. I think, no, it just reads. Oh, first cast, baby! Oh my soul. First cast. Guys, look at this beaut. Look at it. Oh. I actually threw my lure in there. Right? And just waited for it to go, but while I was setting the GoPro up. But yeah, this is up, guys. First cast, we got a fish. Thank you so much. What's up, man? Got some stiff competition. That was just luck. I just literally threw it in there, setting up the GoPro, and we are in. Yep, got it. Oh, the square ball. The square ball. And I got somebody else's line here as well. I'll just quickly untangle Walker's line, but that's the second one in like 5 minutes. Squirrel getting it done. There we go. I'll throw in that brush pile right there. Alright guys, I'm going to be honest, nothing is so good, feels better when a bass hits a lure like that. I wanted to put it on a water plopper for you guys, but honestly, the crank, I'm not going to change this crank at the moment, not the way it's catching. I mean, look at how it's just walking it in. So guys, there's my water plopper and my deep diving bull. Alright guys, Mocha's going to reach his strategy. I'm going to jump a little bit right here. And let's see what does is up when I catch you. Look at that beauty swimming. Almost a crow's nest. But it's not a strange mash, let's fix that. I see a lot of times a backlash is not a bad thing. Letting your lure sit there, the bass will just crank it. Let's drag. Relax and stop. Up, got it folks. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at that guys. Oh, look at that. Look at him swim. That's a nice one. Oh, he just chunked it guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness guys. This is a very nice one. And it's got another bait in its mouth as well. Let me just be careful. Pull the hooks and stuff in his mouth. Look at that guys. He actually has another lure in his mouth. Okay. Okay. Let's get this out of this guy. This has been swallowed. Oh, there it is. It's loose. Your camera recording. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to get my plier. This guy will be safe. This is a nice one. Look at that guys. It's 3-0-2. The hard bait versus the crankbait.
So yeah, there he is, Chris, with his probably the biggest fish of the day so far. Yeah, so far it's 3-0 for him. I've been joking around the whole time.
Oh, it's fat, dude. She's been eating good.
That's very nice. Much bigger than the fish we caught last week, to be honest.
Yeah, okay. I saved him, and yeah, let's gonna do a nice release on him. Make sure he's okay, and just loving it. This is a nice one. I will say this is about a. What, 2 kilo almost?
Just
quite
under.
heavy one,
Just under.
You know? Good job, thank you.
There you go.
Yep. Dude, the small ones, they fight harder. Look at that, they just fight. They can spit it and I won't be upset. Folks, yeah, that's 4 now. I'm having a blast, by the way. Guess who's getting a car wash, honestly. But yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for biting. I'll be quite upset if I reel in this line and I don't have a fish, guys, because literally it's been every cast it's about a fish. Got it. This is a good one again. This is a good one. Guys, I don't know what's happening, guys, but this is a good one. Another nice one. Yo, awesome. I'm really having a blast. So, let me have another one. Oh, that's in the reach, but on the bank. Guys, that looks well. That looks really good. Let's see. Mokke has basically surrendered hard plate versus soft plates plastic. I'm getting the car rush, right? But yeah, we're just gonna have fun fishing. I mean, I just won the competition. I was really lucky the way they've been biting. It's almost thought it's something. Oh, just a little leaf. So yeah, I've been really lucky, guys.
Okay, so we've been here for like I think like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, and Chris is already 5 up. I have 0, nothing. So this isn't working for me. I'm gonna switch to something different. Basically going to try to copy him, but yeah, he's I think he's like 5 fish for 8 casts or something like that. Something ridiculous. So let's try something different.
Oh, guys, just got stuck there. I almost got really excited. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let the lure chill out there for now. Yeah, honestly having a blast at the moment. Been catching them well, really enjoying it. The square bill has worked really nice for me, and I think I will be switching over to the water plopper just now. Oh yes, folks, that is number 6 on the board. Look at him, guys, look at him. I got number 6. Oh no, square ball has got me a bit in the clutch. Alright guys, this is officially number 6 on the board for me. Alright guys, this is officially number 6 for me. Just happy to catch them. Yeah, enjoying the experience, eh? Very happy. That one I just let it sit there and then I brought it in. Alright guys, this is my square bill. I'm gonna change it up to a water plopper and we go from there. Hey guys, what is up? Yeah, as you can see, I've been slaying it. Yeah, having a lot of fun. Like I said, caught 6 in like half an hour. Just spent 10 minutes throwing a water plopper. But yeah, it's been fun, but it's not giving me that much satisfaction. And yeah, there it is. Look at that. And yeah, let's see if we can try luck. But in my books, free car wash. Now I'm not counting my chickens before they hatched. It's just it's hard to come back from a 6-0 deficit. In, yeah, like I say, in 30 minutes. He actually used 15, but hey Bokke, just turn around for us there. Just turn around for us. Nope, he's refusing. Sorry guys, nobody likes to lose. So yeah, I'm gonna throw my deep diver and let's see where we go from there. But I'm very confident in my car wash. I was actually very surprised to see they were going so fast on, well, going for a lure that swims aggressively. I caught 2 tanks, and then further on I've been, the other 4 was quite nice. Nice pan size. Beans, yeah. Caught my own line. What is it? Did I leave my stuff? Yeah, I wanted to, but it came on the reach. Jeez. Sure. Hey guys, do not be shy. For a sponsor for lures, then we don't have to go do this extreme measures to get it. Guys, I don't know, but I think, yep. No. I think I just pulled this out of his mouth. Bokke, watch your leg. Okay, there you go. Guys, I think I just, yeah, I screwed up. But anyway, you carry on fishing. Look at this guy. Oh, look at that.
So
guys,
yeah,
just gonna bring in my rod. Had a backlash day. It's in the middle. We are officially done today's challenge. This is literally me reeling in, and then a little bit of golf. Why not? Closest to the pin, and yeah, like I say, if he gets it closer to me, he doesn't have to wash my car. I'll wash his car, and obviously the gentleman's bet off a buck. That's how confident I am. I'm gonna ask Mokke now. I don't think it's necessary for Ching Chong Cha. Or rock paper scissors, you know, that's how the Americans will call it, if I don't fall and break my neck. But yeah, I'm good. So I think I'll go first, because I honestly, no disrespect, I don't think I'm gonna eat balls in the water. I think you might chunk 1 or 2.
yeah. Well, I haven't played. I think it's been over a year since I've held a golf club in my hand, to be honest. So
exactly. So I will be hitting off, or teeing off first. I think I got about 7 balls, and yeah, did bring a pitch repair. I mean, we're not monsters, we do take care of the course, and yeah, let's get it. Put this one in the front. Keep a few more. Oh gosh. It's safe.
it's not in the water.
Golly.
Still a chance to make par.
What now? I must say I play twice a week. Yeah, I think I need to play like, I think I just should give the game up altogether. Whatever. Let's do it. Hold it. That's not a good shot, guys.
What was it?
That one was hit way left. Tug that a bit. Let's aim towards the pin. Slow down. Middle green. Yeah, middle green. I think it's just a bit long. Make the color balls now. Yes, the door is still wide open. Let's play a chippy 7. A chippy 7. Ah! It's a 3. This is the last 3. Jy by die green gaan, dan gaan ons maar net hier go.
Ja, gaan met hier.
Oh my gosh. I'm pulling them left. I'm a bit worried now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Anything on the green for Walker, I think is gonna win it. That's what I get for being a little bit cocky. Oh my soul. Okay, come on, guys. That's better. That's better. I cannot completely see it, but that's better, guys. I'm actually happy with that one. Hit it softer. I believe it should be there and thereabout. That was better. Oh my golly, I hate the equator. That was so thin. That's not even funny. Okay, guys. Yeah. I apologize to all the golfers around the world for a horrible play. Really. I thought it's too much club. Even hitting a softer 7. I mean, look at it. Okay, this is my fault, you know, tugging it. But this is 1. We hit 7. See, there's the rest. Just straight over the green. Went a bit long. That's 3. So that makes 4. And then 5. Thank goodness, guys. That on the green there. It's just giving me a little bit of hope. Here we are. Here we are, guys. This was my 6th shot. I'm just thankful. Just so very thankful. Right, let's see what Mocha can do. Yeah, see how it goes. Ready when you are. Where is that?
In the grass.
Alright, don't worry. That's why I said. That's why I go first. I might have hooked them all, but I don't lose golf balls as often. But yeah, this is all losable. No worries. Especially the red one. Nobody plays with red, you know. How's that look? How does that look? Is it a contender, huh? Swing to 1. What we've practiced, talked about. Oh, guys, that is also not a bad shot. It's just right. Very, very right. But that tree is right there. What are you? Come on, you've got this, man. You've got this. Yeah, at least you didn't chunk one like me. Hook. He's got a contender there, guys. Remember, he's got a contender there. All right, let's see if the yellow one can do him well like it did for me. Tuck that shoulder to 1 o'clock. Oh, all right, there goes the yellow, the orange golf ball. No worries.
I need to murder that thing.
Don't we all want to do that? Go, just get over the water. Splish, splash, I was taking a bath.
Maybe 3.
It's okay, guys. That's why I went first. That's why I went first.
Okay. Last ball. Is it the money shot?
For me, it was the second last. Is he gonna break my heart? Don't go breaking my heart. All right, he's got one there. He's got one there. Let's go check it out. So we should be able to find 3, maybe 2. Well, 2, maybe 3. Let's see. Walker's just getting his golf balls. He also tugged one there. He's get through in the water. Guys, I'm getting a car rush over here. Look at that. There's nothing on the green. Nothing on the green. He hit one well. I think it just went a bit long.